Good morning, children. Today we will study lesson 9 Days to Celebrate. Okay, in this lesson, you will be knowing national festivals and religious festival. So let's start. India is also known as land of many festivals. All of us love to celebrate festivals and functions. We celebrate functions like birthdays, wedding and anniversaries with our friends and relatives. So what here is written is India is known as a land of many festival. इंडिया को लैंड ऑफ मैनी फेस्टिवल के से जानते हैं हम ओके and all of us celebrate festivals and functions together with our loved ones. As you can see there are two pictures. One is of a birthday party and second is of a wedding function. So here the celebration is going on. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Celebrate कर रहे हैं. And we celebrate with our loved ones, with our friends and with our family members together. Okay, so coming down, a festival is an event which is usually celebrated by a community as a local or national event. So festival, what is festival? It is an event which is celebrated by a community or people as a local or national event. As a local means कोई local festival या फिर national festival, as a national festival they celebrate. Okay, now try this. Name some functions you attended recently. So here you have to name any 3 functions you have attended recently. Today is these days there's COVID time, so maybe you have not attended, but if you have, then you have to write down the 3 names of the functions you have attended. Now coming on to the next page. Festivals are 2 types. First one is national festival and the second one is religious festival. So children, do you know what is the meaning of national and religious festival? Okay, I'll tell you. National festival is the festivals that are not region or religion bounded. That means they are celebrated all over our country. And religious festival are the festival that are religion or region bounded. That means they are celebrated in some particular area or they are celebrated by some particular religion of people. Okay, we celebrate some national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day and etc. And some religious festivals are Holi, Eid, Christmas. Okay, now coming on to the national festivals. First one is Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15 August. Why we celebrate Independence Day? Because our country India got independence on 15 August 1947 and it became a free country. So on this day every year the Prime Minister of our country hoists the flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi and he gives the message and speech to motivate and to encourage the people of our country. Next is Republic Day. When do we celebrate it? We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. And why do we celebrate it? Because on 26th January 1950, our country India got its own constitution. Now what is constitution? A constitution is a set of rules that are written that how a country will function or run. Okay, so on this day All public places and offices, school hoist the national flag. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. Children, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. And 2nd October is the birthday of Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi. That's why we celebrate it on 2nd October, as Mahatma Gandhi played a major role in freedom struggle of our country, for our country to get independent. And he is also known as father of the nation, or Bapuji, or Gandhi ji. Okay, so that's all for today, children. Your homework will be to read page number 56, 57, and 58. Okay, take care. Goodbye.